Hello guys, welcome to Alpha How. In this video I am going to show how you can make a Metamask account. If you don't know what Metamask is, it is a digital wallet you can store your cryptocurrencies. Hit download now button. You can choose your browser, mine is Google Chrome. Hit add to Chrome and wait for it to be downloaded. If you already have an account you can import it. If you don't have an account, hit create a wallet. Create a password. Write down these words. Do not share it with anyone. Choose the words in order that you've written down. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing.